Greetings everyone, we are thrilled to have you join us for the second part of episode 2 of our educational series on cooling systems. In the previous segment, we explored several components of the cooling system and their individual roles in maintaining optimal temperatures. Today, we will delve into the remaining parts of the system and uncover their functions. In this episode, we will delve into the various components of the cooling system, including hoses and pipes, expansion tank or overflow reservoir, coolant temperature sensor, heater core, and pressure cap. These essential parts play crucial roles in ensuring the efficient functioning of the cooling system. Now that we know the rest of the parts that make up the cooling system, what are their functions? Hoses and pipes. Various hoses and pipes connect the different components of the cooling system, allowing the coolant to flow between the engine, radiator, water pump or circulating pump, and other parts. Expansion tank or overflow reservoir. The expansion tank or overflow reservoir provides space for the coolant to expand as it heats up. It also acts as a reservoir from which the coolant can be drawn back into the system when needed. Coolant temperature sensor. The coolant temperature sensor monitors the temperature of the coolant and sends signal to the engine control module, ECU. The ECU uses this information to adjust the engine's operating parameters such as airflow mixture and ignition timing, hence allowing the electric fan to switch on when the temperature reaches a predetermined level. Heater core. The heater core is a small radiator-like component located in the vehicle's cabin. It utilizes hot coolant to generate heat for the interior heating system, which becomes very useful during cold or snowy days. Pressure cap. The pressure cap is located on the radiator or the expansion tank. It maintains the cooling system's pressure, allowing the coolant to reach higher temperatures before boiling and increases the system's overall efficiency. And that brings us to the conclusion of this segment in today's episode. In our upcoming episode, we will shed light on the importance of keeping your thermostat intact, thus not removing it, and the adverse effect it can have on your vehicle when tampered with. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, and always practice defensive driving.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and TikTok at AutoShark Ghana for other educational content.